Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hair and face serum. This is great on the hair because it helps to promote hair growth, and on the face it helps with hydrating, balancing the sebum production, as well as helping to fade any scarring. So let's go ahead and get started. To my beaker here, I'll be adding some safflower oil. This helps to stimulate the hair growth. It helps to give the hair some shine. It also protects from UV rays, and it's great for both low porosity and high porosity hair. When it's on the skin, it helps to moisturize. It's very anti-inflammatory, and it also helps to balance the sebum production. Next, I'll be adding some grapeseed oil. This is helpful when it comes to balancing the sebum production. It is a very gentle cleanser for the skin, and it has some anti-inflammatory properties as well. When applied to the hair, it nourishes the roots and it improves blood circulation. This next ingredient, rosehip seed oil, is a little more expensive than the other oils that I'm using today, but it has so many benefits for both skin and hair. When applied to the skin, it's very hydrating, it helps with any scarring, and it's very great for anti-aging. Now, when you apply it to the hair, it helps to boost blood circulation. To my beaker, I will now be adding some vitamin E. Vitamin E helps with dry, itchy skin. It also helps with any scarring. Not only that, but when you apply it to the hair, it helps to strengthen the hair strands and add a nice shine. The very last ingredient that I'll be adding to my hair and face serum is going to be cedarwood essential oil. This helps to tighten pores. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It's great for moisturizing the skin. Now, when you use it on the hair, it can help with dandruff. It can help to cleanse and balance any oil production in the hair. After adding the cedarwood essential oil, I'll be taking just a few minutes to stir everything together. I want to make sure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed in this serum. It is now time for me to go ahead and pour my hair and face serum into my dropper bottle. I chose to use this bottle just because it makes it easier and convenient for me to use. Now, if you would like to see more serum formulas here on my channel, go ahead and leave a comment down below this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Here is the serum on my hand. I want to show you using this tissue that it leaves no greasy residue behind. Here is the formula along with any substitutions that I would recommend. Now, I use this face serum daily, and for the hair, I use this 2 to 3 times a week. And what I do on my hair is I will go ahead and part it, and then right at that part line, I will apply a couple drops of the oil and just gently rub it in. And I will leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that has been nicely absorbed, I will go ahead and just wash and dry my hair as normal. And that's all I do. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.